You could be famous.
What tier are we doing? Same tier?
Doesn't matter. You guys pick this time.
Hey, I got a question for you guys.
Yep.
How do you keep iTunes from cutting on?
You could be famous.
Like, for some reason, just iTunes starts playing all of a sudden.
You
On
probably
your
have
iPad?
Yeah.
one of your quick buttons going.
Thing right now. So everybody that I meet,
Quick button.
I'm basically
Yeah,
just
'cause if
ruffle
you
stumping.
double-click
Like it's
or-
not even.
There's a.
It's not even a thing. Like
hold
look,
on 1 second.
yo,
Yeah, if you double click.
I heard you like beams.
It'll pop on.
Right.
That wasn't it, because I'm just sitting here in game, and all of a sudden my music just starts playing in my head really loud.
All right. Do you need to get help?
Huh? I just,
Do you need to see somebody, a specialist, Lamar? That's what I'm asking.
no, it's actually my iTunes.
He goes, what?
Wait, what? Was that voice again that keeps talking to me?
Oh man,
I don't know if you can disable it or not.
oh man, I don't know why it's doing it. Something's going on.
There's
It's
probably a setting buried in the iTunes in your
yeah.
player.
I guess I'll have to look at it. I don't even really listen to any music on this thing, so I don't know why it keeps cutting on like that. And the weird thing is, I don't even have it open. It just launches iTunes and starts playing music for some weird reason.
Interesting.
Yeah. Anyway.
All right, what tier do you guys pick?
I'm waiting for Lamar. He can pick it.
You want to do another 3, or you want to do something else?
I am open for anything.
Or another 3 then. Well, let's try another 3. Good for the blood pressure.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
On battle. 3, 2, 1, battle.
Nope.
Hey, when are you letting off the battle button?
When I say battle,
Beginning or end?
in the beginning.
Okay. Some people do it at the end. Some people do it in the middle. Some people do it in the beginning.
When are you doing it, XJ? Right in the beginning?
Somewhere in you saying battle?
Like when I go buh.
No,
You do
usually
it
at
on
the
the-
end.
Okay. I'll wait till the end. As soon as I'm done saying battle, I'll let go. All right?
All right. Sounds good.
Are we the only ones staying up here, Lamar?
Well, I don't know, but we got a friend up here, so we can shoot him.
His game's over.
Oh, that's funny. Wait, the kind of a. Wait, who the hell? Somebody shot me. I never even saw him. I hate it when that happens. Uh-oh. I have to get that little... Oh, man, you're just the ammo rack king today.
Yeah, I'm ammo racking everybody. Laying waste to these guys.
Why did we lose half our engine power? That sucks.
Nice finish. Well, that BT2 lasted longer than them guys.
Yeah, he was almost dead, too.
Yeah.
That's funny.
I don't learn them. Just mortar AFK or what? Ramming speed.
Oh. Hey, you're getting ammo racks. You can't get ammo racks and rams.
Yeah, that BT2 was like, they'll just come over here and
That's
shoot
like
them guys.
Third ammo rack you've gotten, I think.
Yeah. And it's not on purpose.
Man, it's like, if I get one a week, I'm happy.
I just got three in like 4 games.
I know. What was that one you racked in your
Oh,
SIG?
that Hellcat.
Oh, that was a good one, man. He was full health. He shot one time and he was done.
He types on the screen, he typed, wow.
There's not. That's the best.
Oh, one shot, game over. It's happened to me. I was in an IS-3, and I can't remember exactly who shot me, but he had a big caliber gun, and he took me one shot. I was decimated, completely blown up.
Wow.
Yeah,
Full health. IS3.
full health, not one shot in me.
Yeah, that's a serious. I wish they would make the game where the turret would fly off. That would be so cool.
Yeah, like you can watch it come off.
Yeah, and then it would just be laying there with the turret beside
Well,
it.
in some of their commercials, they have that turret come off in some of the tanks.
Yeah,
Like
that's
some of
on
their-
PC.
It's all on PC.
Yeah.
I don't know why they don't do it here. Guess it's a memory
Probably
issue.
the graphics processing on the mobile isn't good enough.
Yeah, probably not yet.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
iOS is going to be. It's going to go. Platform's going to go further.
Yeah, give it time.
Yeah.
You
Hey,
figure because they're putting more and more money into it because there's just more people to reach.
Well, and that's the hard part is that there's no. I'm sure from a developer standpoint, while the whole Android thing's open, there's no reliance on what the hardware side will be.
Yep.
So,
Oh,
on the Apple
absolutely,
side,
because-
they can guarantee a certain amount.
All right.
I,
Here we go.
I get better graphics and better gameplay on my phone than I do on the iPad Mini.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You have an
Yeah.
older iPad Mini?
I'm playing on the iPad Mini,
Okay.
and it's the first Mini,
Oh,
and I have
phones
to have
have a
everything
better-
on low.
Yeah, the phones have a better processor.
yeah, the new ones.
Oh, absolutely.
Yep.
My iPhone 6 has everything. It's all maxed out. But
Well,
it's
that's,
just such
I
a
was
small
playing on
screen.
the first iPad Retina, so whatever that was, the iPad, was it third generation was the first Retina?
Yeah.
And I would always be the last loading into battle, horrible frames per second, and I got a new iPad Air a couple of months ago, and night and day difference.
Well, I play on the first version of the iPad Air, and I don't have any problems.
Yep. All right, what are we doing next?
But,
Don't matter.
okay. We'll just move up to 4, or skip up to 7, or
You pick.
Let's go to 4.
all right, pick one then.
I'm ready.
Oh, I like that thing. On same like I said after I say battle. 3, 2, 1, battle. Anyone?
Hmm.
No XJ.
Nothing.
Nope. That's tank gods don't like
I'm
this
horrible
today.
at it. We're gonna have to switch up and let Lamar do it. I'm horrible at this. Where's your liking at here, Lamar? Where do you want to go?
Probably just go town, I would think.
All right. I'm gonna try to get in one of my favorite spots. If I can get there. As fast as I can.
Ugh, my whole team is camping on the hill.
Take it easy,
I am.
Rommel, because our team is really dragging their feet.
I'm gonna try to stay invisible here. As long
See
as I
this
can.
internets? This is how not to play this game.
Where'd that guy go? Oh shit!
What?
Now we got them all here.
Yeah, they all showed up.
Well, I'm gonna go. There's one trying to sneak in behind us here. Crap. Oh, nice. I love when I shoot straight into the dirt.
Looks like that one went right through. The engine is cutting out.
The hell? Come on, give me a break.
Enemy is hit.
Wow. I had the worst luck shooting stuff today.
Ah, burn, burn.
Oh, drive in circles while my team all sits.
What's this KV1 doing on our team? Anything?
I don't
Who's
know.
he looking for?
Nobody. I thought there was a guy on the other side of that hill. I don't know where he went.
The one you just killed.
No, that one.
There he is,
T-34.
T-34.
Oh,
How'd you miss him?
I hit my fire button and that's what I'm saying. Today is just not my day. I hit my fire button and then it didn't shoot. I missed it. And then I
Oh,
guess
an
when I hit it
AT2.
again, I moved my sight.
Well, gentlemen, I'm going to leave you guys to...
Okay. I'm dead.
I'm going to go eat dinner.
Yeah, I
All
gotta
right.
do the same. I gotta do the
I'll
same.
be on in a bit.
All right, see you in a
Sorry,
bit.
XJ.
Yeah, see you guys.
User disconnected from your channel.
Yay, he hit something. Then we have the DW2 trying to cap. So shoot him. Yay, we won.